You only have so many hours behind the chair, regardless of whether you work part-time, full-time. I'm just going with it, guys. This is where we're at today. Whether you work full-time or part-time behind the chair as a hairdresser, there's only so many hours, right? Whether you work weekends or you are full-time, eventually hours cap out and you just simply cannot make any more money. So you have kind of two options to make more money. Well, three. Okay, so you can eliminate services that are not as profitable and bundle them with other things that are more profitable. You can get faster at what you do and continue to charge the same amount. Or three, you can build product lines that will allow you to monetize the things that you're actually using in your business. And I have a whole other training on that. I will link at the end card of this YouTube video and you can go check that out. If you guys don't know me though, my name is Melissa Ferguson. I've been a licensed hairstylist for going on 15 years. And I used to run my business probably in a way that is very similar to the way a lot of hairstylists run. I would pick a price, I would compare it to what was going on in my local town, and that's what I would charge. And I suddenly realized that if I could start charging the same amount, but being faster, being more efficient at what I did, I would be able to get more clients in. So I started to use 10-minute color. Now, I didn't want to switch my entire color line at the time, so I actually used an additive that I could then put into my color to make my color 10-minute color. That exists. I will drop it in the link for you here. Full transparency, you actually get it on Amazon. But you can get a similar package from Sally's Beauty, and honestly, they work the same. I got really, really clear on my foil placements, and I now actually only offer like 3 different types of colors on my menu, and I specialize in high ticket sales. So I specialize in hair extensions. I am realizing my shirt is very dirty as I'm filming this. It's the end of the day one. So essentially, what would my day would look like? Say I was going to take a color, okay? Say I was doing a root touch-up, and it would take me 3 hours, and I would charge $200. I would be able to do like 2 to 3 of those a day. I'd make $200, $400, $600 on a good day. Then I started taking the same service, and I could get it down to an hour and a half. So then I could then do like 4 or 5 of them and still charge $200. So when I'm doing 400, or when I'm doing 4 of them, I'm then making like $800 to $1,000 in the same time frame. My clients are never double booked. I'm just faster at what I do. So if you are like, what? The math doesn't lie. And that's all it is you either charge more, you get faster, or you productize, or you cut things out. So for example, when I say cut things out, I used to do a standalone haircut, and I used to do my haircuts for like $60. Well, if I'm doing a haircut for $60 and it takes me an hour to wash and blow dry and do that haircut, and then I do a color for $200 and I can get that done in an hour and a half for 30 extra minutes, I am making an extra $140. So that literally doesn't make sense. So now I only take haircuts as an add-on to color or in a package. So I have a package called my Luxe Haircut Experience. I think in the last video I said I charge $195 for it. I don't actually. I charge like $179 for it. Now my assistant will take like the last 30 minutes and she'll do the blow dry. I can charge so much for a haircut because I've bundled it with things that don't cost us time. So we do a lot of red light therapy. We have a lot of clients that have hair growth issues. So we bundle this and we give this to them for free. So they see the perceived value. It doesn't cost me time because my time is literally the most important thing that I own. It's more valuable to me than money. So it's a win-win for everyone. So if you're considering how to get faster, we are going to be having color training, slice class time things. I don't even know what I'm saying here. We're going to have color classes inside of our school community. You're going to want to join that. It's currently free. There will be a price tag on it soon. So click the link in the description and make sure you hop over there.